Hello, this is Eugene, and I'm going to introduce you to the 4 different design projects that I did for grade 10 design class. First is light design. To design my own stage lights, I used a program called Magic Q, and here you can see a layout of the program. On the right is a visualizer where you can see the lights that you have programmed, and on the left are where you can choose the lightings, so like if whether you want to do backstage light, upstage, or etc. And also below you can control the intensity of each light. For this project, I designed lighting for a song by NCT U called Make a Wish, and here you can see it now.
See you looking right here, don't hesitate. Fully booked up for you, I schedule a date. Girl, you got me inside, I wanna play. It's like I've been at a sea, no way, I'll be on the way.
I want you to come join me, swimming in the money like royalty. She said, baby, you don't have to spoil me. She just want me to spoil her with loyalty.
Sweet tooth side, all of the skills. I love McDonald's with jam in the middle. You're a great example of what I'm into. I was thinking we could jam for it, yeah. I can do this all night. Back it up, back it up.
Second is Foley. Foley is a reproduction of everyday sound effects that are added to films, videos, and other media in post-production to enhance audio quality. I'm called Audacity. I reproduced the background sound effects for a video called Passcode, which was a teaser for EXO's 2015 album. So here you can see different sound audio tracks. This one's the one for Footsteps, this one's for one for Breeze, and this is the background music itself. So here you can see that the sound intensity is really low because this sound is supposed to be like a really background noise that is just there as like feedback, and this one is the actual sound that the person in the video is making with his footsteps. Third is set design. I designed my sets based on the ice castle that comes out in Frozen. Here you can see that I used SketchUp to make my set design. I used different geometric shapes to show the ice spikes, and also made this castle 2 floors because the original castle that Elsa made was also 2 floors. And I also added the stairs in the front. For my costume design, I chose Clara from Nutcracker as my character. I first researched some of the costumes that Clara wore in musicals, and then I started sketching my own. This is the costume I designed for Clara. First of all, the shoes are ballet shoes, as the Nutcracker is a ballet musical. The reason why I designed the nightgown this way is because in the 19th century Germany, which is the time zone where the Nutcracker is based on, women only wore dresses. Also, since Clara's family opens a party which shows that they are wealthy, I thought it would be appropriate that Clara's nightgown is made of soft silk that was expensive in the time. Then we had to think of possible outfits that our character would wear if the character was in Chadwick. So if Clara was in Chadwick, what she would wear. I thought what would most suit her is a simple and neat look, maybe a so-called high-teen look with a tartan skirt and a simple looking cardigan, as you can see in the photos.